The synchronistors overload. Do it again and strive for adequacy.
As long as nothing else goes wrong.
Oh, cover just makes it fun. Come on, fight! Barrel's going! Get out of there!
Ready for action!
Medicaid station! Big music! There! Okay! It's dealt with! Emperor's thrown them down! Good for another bounce! There goes toast! I'll return the favor, you wait.
Do hurry up. Time's a wasting.
Fresh ammo. Guardsman's best friend.
It is with regret that I must advise you of my own.
Kindly wait, sir. It's impolite.
I still find it improbable that an individual like you could uncover the Foundryplex's location.
Ah, but people like talking to me. I must have one of those faces. One you can confide in.
Very convincing, I'm sure.
I'm so glad you think so.
At last, the shores of the Foundryplex. Proceed, varlets. Let us break the holy machine.
Put forward. I shall gallantly guard your life.
Ammo! Weapons dry! Fucking grenade! Burster! Shooting! Shooting! Oh, just another day in the guard. It's down! I'm out of ammo! Good old ammo! Ammo over here! Grenade here! Ammo cracked! Wonder how the war's going. Well, thunder you heard last night. That was the 101st Artillery giving them out. We got forward! Reloading! Ammo crate! Hey, Russian!